Hi, a few invitations for you, and then we'll do a round of tapping. Firstly, I'm super excited to be doing my first retreat at Omega Institute. I've been teaching there for years at Tosha Silva's retreats, but this June I will be doing my own retreat. And the theme is Tap into Miracles, Love, and Abundance. It's going to be fun, cathartic, transformational and really helping you clear out anger, grief, shame, guilt, regret, all the things that may be keeping you stuck so that you can expand your capacity to receive all the good that the divine, the universe, God, whichever word resonates for you, has for you. Um, it's the beginning of June, June the 7th, and it will be June the 7th to the 12th. We'll be doing abundance tapping. We'll be doing hypnotherapy and some intuitive readings, and um, there'll be walks in nature and dance inspired by Koya, Qoya, which is remembering we're wise, wild, and free. So I'm super excited about it. It's just a really nice reset to go and stay at Omega in gorgeous Omega in beautiful nature and wonderful food and just a super way to unplug, to pause, to release and reset and get clarity about your next chapter so that you can up level and expand your capacity to receive and tap into miracles and a new level of love and abundance. So, if you have questions, feel free to reach out and then I'll put the link below. Also, I want to invite you to my abundance membership, which is twice a month on Wednesdays. The next one's on the 23rd of April. And that is at 10 a.m. Pacific. It's recorded if you can't make it live, but that's a really lovely way to, again, reset your nervous system, clear out any stress, and relax and get back in the flow in connection with your inner wisdom, your divine guidance. So I'll put the link below for that. And we'll do a round of tapping. I thought today we could do one on confusion. Sometimes we can get really confused about what our next step is and go round and round in circles. So tap along, repeat the words after me. And if I say anything that doesn't resonate, you can change the words. Okay, even though I have all this confusion, all this indecision, and I don't know how I can let this go. Maybe it doesn't seem possible. I wonder who I'd be without this confusion. And I love and accept myself anyway. Close your eyes, deep breath. Even though part of me feels so confused and stressed about what I should do, and I don't know how I can let this go. Part of me doesn't feel safe. I can't relax about this. I have to be on guard. But I accept who I am and I appreciate my feelings. Close your eyes, deep breath. Even though I have all this stress, confusion, and overwhelm, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself anyway. Close your eyes, deep breath. And then we're going to the eyebrows, all this confusion and stress, all this indecision, wondering what I should do. Part of me feels so stuck. Part of me feels overwhelmed. Go away. Leave me alone. Back off. All this stress, all this indecision, all this stuck energy. I'm so afraid of making a mistake. What if I make the wrong decision? All this stress and overwhelm, all this indecision, all this confusion. It's so exhausting. And I'm tired of suffering about this. I would really like to feel safe, to relax about everything, to trust the divine order of my life, let go of being general manager of the universe, and give all this confusion and indecision to the divine to handle. I don't need to do this all by myself. It is safe to relax about everything, to trust the divine order of my life. Good comes out of these challenges. Good lies before me. Everything is working out for my highest good. Safe to relax, enjoy the journey, listening to my inner wisdom. I know what to do. I call my power back from all dimensions of time and space. It's safe to shine. It's safe to be me. And it's safe to make a decision. I'm allowed to move forward. It's safe to move forward. I give myself permission to move forward. I love moving forward. I love feeling calm and confident. I trust my gut. I listen to my inner wisdom. I love knowing everything's working out for me. Good lies before me, and good comes out of any challenges. I'm tapping into miracles, tapping into clarity, tapping into quantum leaps. Excited about this new chapter. I am ready now. Life loves me. All is well. Close your eyes, hands on your heart, 3 deep breaths. Tuning in and just seeing what is your gut feeling, what's your inner wisdom saying about the next right action. See how your body feels when you tune into the next right choice. Usually, if we're doing the thing that's right, our body will feel very relaxed and tingly and happy. If we're making a choice that isn't right, we often constrict. So that is that. Feel free to reach out if you need any support. Um, I have various programs and one-on-one and group work. So stay tuned. And if you want to be on my mailing list, I often do free tapping calls and send out free videos and things. So I'll put the link below for that too. I hope you can join me in Omega. I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be fun and nourishing and restorative and really allow you to relax so that you can be open to all the miracles, love, and abundance that the divine has for you. Okay, much love. Thank you so much.